In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailchimp audience. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in about 5 minutes. Let's make sure your Mailchimp account is clean and organized by removing unwanted or outdated audiences. First things first, open your web browser and log in to your Mailchimp account. If you don't have the login page bookmarked, you can find it by simply searching for Mailchimp login in your preferred search engine, or navigate to Mailchimp's homepage where the login button is easily accessible. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a navigation bar running vertically along the edge. From this menu, go ahead and click on the option labelled Audience. This is where all of your contact lists, or audiences as Mailchimp calls them, are stored. After you've clicked on Audience, it's time to pinpoint the specific audience you'd like to delete. You should see a list of the audiences currently in your account. Browse through them and find the one that you want to get rid of. If you're dealing with a long list, you might need to scroll or use the search feature to find your target more quickly. Once you've identified the audience you wish to remove, focus your attention on the top of this section. You'll see a tab labelled Settings. Go ahead and give it a click. Then, on the same row, move your eyes towards the right side of your screen and you will see another option named Manage Audiences. Click on this, which will pull up a set of management options for your audience. Now you'll notice a tick box next to each audience name. Remember, precision is key here. Locate the tick box that corresponds with the audience you want to delete and give it a click. You want to ensure that only this audience is selected to avoid accidentally deleting any important data. With the audience selected, your next step is to look at the options that appear, which include a trash bin icon representing the delete function. Click on this icon once you're sure about your selection. A prompt will likely pop up asking you to confirm the deletion. This acts as a safeguard against unintended actions. Go ahead and confirm to permanently remove the audience from your account. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an audience from your Mailchimp account. Remember, this action can't be undone, so double check everything before you hit delete. Keeping your audience list organized helps maintain efficiency in your email marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.